Hello, this is the American Political Parrot, and I would like to do a little squawking today about Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton has said repeatedly that she did not knowingly send or receive classified information over her unsecure server while she was Secretary of State. And I can believe this. That's not the issue. Wake up. That's not the issue. The issue is this. Since 2015, the State Department has reviewed thousands and thousands of emails. And the State Department has now determined that retroactively 1,274 emails should have been classified. They have now marked these emails as classified. The situation is this, folks. We have someone running for president, a presidential candidate, that could not recognize one email out of the 1,274 emails were classified. She couldn't recognize one? We don't need her as President of the United States of America. I don't believe she's competent enough. She should have known that they were classified. By the very nature of the content of the emails, you would know that. She saw fit to have an unsecure server as Secretary of State. She made the call. Do we know if our enemies have any vital information that came off her server? No, we do not. I hope they do not. But we don't know for a fact whether they garnered one or thousands of emails off her server. We need someone that's going to be strong for America. We don't need a lifetime, long-time politician. We want somebody that's going to bring back jobs to America. We want someone that's going to bring back factories to America. We want someone that's going to take care of our wounded veterans that come back from fighting wars, that gave their limbs, their lives for our safety, so that we can be here today doing whatever it is we're doing. We want military strength returned to the United States of America. We will get that with Donald Trump. He gets my vote. What do you say? I hope Hillary doesn't get your vote. But we live in America and opinions vary. You take care, folks. This is the American Political Parrot saying, be safe. Thank you.